it's Cory, and welcome to a rainy evening here at Epcot. I'm here today to check out the new Guardians of the Galaxy show, also go around and maybe see some of the construction updates going on here at Epcot, and just have some fun. Hopefully the rain doesn't get too bad. I'm actually getting rained on right now. Let's go check things out and have fun. So we're over here just outside the entrance of Epcot. Came over here to get a good view of the construction progress for the Guardians of the Galaxy coaster. And look at that thing. It's getting up there. It's definitely going to be a tall building, which really isn't that big of a surprise, seeing as how this will be one of the largest indoor roller coasters in the world. I'm so excited for this one. So I'm back here at the American Gardens Theater, and looking over to Spaceship Earth, you come over to the right, you can really see how tall that construction's getting for Guardians of the Galaxy. Let me try and zoom in there a bit. You can see it sticking up over Test Track. The old Universe of Energy is sitting right there behind those trees. And that's the new building for the new roller coaster. It's gonna be quite large back there, and it'll be interesting to see what they do with the building, seeing as how it could be quite an eyesore. Depending on what angle you're looking at it from. I'm sure Disney will take care of it though. Spaceship Earth as the sun's going down. We made our way back here to the American Gardens Theater for the new Guardians of the Galaxy Awesome Mix Live. We're catching the last showing of the evening, 8 o'clock, which is only about 20 minutes from now, and there's still plenty of seats over here.
Your Epcot has been identified as a cultural epicenter. As part of our new outreach initiative, we have selected ambassadors to be the first to share our extraterrestrial culture.
Scale back the intensity. I got this handled. Guys, let me introduce you to
Gamora.
You know her.
She is one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. She helped save our planet.
I know. I was there.
Quill, where is this emergency that you brought us halfway across the galaxy for?
It's right behind us. Look, guys, you sound awesome, but here's the thing. These people out here, they're Terrans, and their little Terran ears aren't made to process the intricacies of Xandarian music.
But we came all the way here to share our music, and now what? We have a what do you call it? A whole set to fill.
Music?
If you guys will let me, I think I have a way to help.
Aw, an infant Sequoia.
No, he is the answer to all your problems, man.
I am Groot.
Yeah, I need you to pull up a song for me. It's going to be right at the top of the playlist, okay, buddy? There it is. See, guys, I was born on this planet. I know what Terrans like.
Ooga chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga ooga.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm hard to believe it. I say I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm hard to believe it. That you're in love with me.
don't know what it means, but they're excited. Don't stop me now, buddy.
Don't stop me now. Don't stop me. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Flying through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm flying through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Very High. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make the supersonic woman go. Come on, let's go! Woo! Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Don't stop me, don't stop wanna have a good time, just give me a call. 'Cause I'm having a good time. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Don't wanna stop at
You guys sound great, and nothing's gone wrong yet. There's a fleet of sovereign ships headed towards the Minotaur.
Again?
Okay, Gamora, now we gotta go. Yeah, never hurry it, guys. We gotta run, but you got this from here, right?
Most certainly. Thank you for your help.
Come on, let's go!
Wait, hold on. One last thing. Guys, you gotta get a better name for the bands.
Terrence, we are the Star-Lord!
So I've made it back here to France, and here is all you can really see from this close of the Ratatouille construction. Back here behind the tree line, you can see the building going all the way across over to here. It's actually a pretty large building back there. And back here is what you can see right now of the Skyliner system coming here to the back of Epcot. I can see one of the towers right there. That's where that gondola system come over, and there'll be a station that sits right over here behind these trees. It's getting dark, so I'm not going to go over there right now, but it's cool to see where those gondolas are going to come in. So that's going to do it for me here tonight at Epcot. I had such a great time on this short trip here tonight. We got to see the new Guardians of the Galaxy Awesome Mix Live, and that was great. I know there's been a little bit of discussion, some disagreements of whether or not it fits here in the World Showcase at Epcot, but regardless, I think it was a great show. I think that the music is great, the performances are great, and I would recommend coming and checking it out here for the incredible summer at Walt Disney World and Epcot. And we enjoyed seeing some of the construction updates. It got dark on us, so I didn't get a chance to get over and check out the Skyliner as much as I really wanted to, and it's really hard to see Ratatouille back there in the back, but the Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster building is really coming along, and it is gonna be humongous. So I can't wait for all the exciting things that are coming here to Epcot, and that's gonna do it for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and subscribe below for more like it, and I'll see you next time.